Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I got a little problem with my truck. When they put the trim on, they put some double-faced tape underneath it. That's supposed to hold it down. This is the second windshield this truck's had in it that I know of, and that little bit of trim has come loose. I think it's supposed to be tucked underneath that little bit of rubber there, right under here. And when they put it on, it's a little short. It doesn't quite go under it. So now it's loose and that little bit of trim is popped up. So I'm going to glue it back down. I'm going to pull it up and smear the glue in underneath it. Make sure I get it coated really good. Even a little bit on my finger there. Tuck it in underneath it. Make sure I got it wrapped all the way around here. Everything coated with it. Tuck this piece down using this piece of plywood, which is cut down just right to fit in that gap. Then I'm going to take this welding clamp, which is just big enough to reach in and get exactly where I need to have it go. By using that piece of 2x4 with a sock on it, I can spread the clamping pressure over all these fragile parts without putting too much pressure on any one of them. That lets me put enough pressure on it to grip that piece of rubber trim and bring it down in where it belongs. That's something I've been meaning to do for better than a year. But I've got sunshine, dry weather, and time to do it. It's been about 3 weeks since I glued it down, and I just went out and took a picture of it tonight, and it seems to be holding up quite well. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.